My presenting about coconut diversity. The family of coconut is Ericaceae, genus Caucus, species Nucifera. One of the most useful plants is the coconut palm, Caucus nucifera, which is grown around the world in lowland tropical and subtropical habitats. From this species, we can get many natural products, including foods, drinks, fibers, building materials, and chemicals. Coconut palms are an excellent source for food or native peoples in the tropics. Fruits are rich in calories and essential vitamins. This fiber is called the coir and is used for making mats and ropes. Coconut is a one-seeded fruit for a tropical tree. It is grown in humid and warm climate. The palm tree native to Malaysia and found in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, and some specific highland. The fruit consists of three layers: endocarp, exocarp, and mesocarp. Exocarp is the green and smooth outermost layer. Mesocarp is the middle and fleshy layer of the coconut, and endocarp is the hard and woody layer surrounding the seeds. Types of the coconut. There are mainly two types of coconut trees are there, tall and dwarf. There are some hybrid varieties of coconuts are there. First one is dwarf varieties. The dwarf coconut is small in stature 5 to 7 meter and commences bearing earlier than the tall variety. Dwarf coconut palms are flower as early as third year after planting and come to regular bearing in the ninth year. The average lifespan is 40 to 50 years. Dwarf or short variety which producing green, orange and yellow nuts, susceptible to drought. Nuts are small in size and round in shape. List of dwarf varieties. First one is Chowgat Orange Dwarf. Time take for bearing 3 to 4 years. Average yield 65 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 150 gram per nut. Oil content 66%. Special feature. This cultivar is known as Gauri Gadram in Kerala and Karnataka respectively. The palm has a thin stem with closely arranged leaf scales, a small compact crown with characteristic orange color on leaf petioles, inflorescence and nuts. This cultivar was released by CPCRI in 1991 for large-scale cultivation in the state of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next one is Chowgat Green Dwarf. Time take for bearing 3 to 4 years. Average yield 66 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 60 gram per nut. Oil content 66%. Special feature. The leaf petioles, leaves and the nuts are dark green in color. The nuts have the characteristic beak when fully mature. Root will disease tolerant variety. Next one is Malian Yellow Dwarf Coconut. The palm has a yield of 50 to 60 coconuts on each palm per year and starts bearing fruits after 3 to 4 years. It is native to Indonesia and is resistant to lethal yellowing disease. Next one is Fiji dwarf coconut. This tropical ornamental tree is popular for its long fronds and a swollen trunk base. Its unique leaf arrangement makes it different from others and has a large bulb. Next one is king coconut. This variety produces orange-skinned coconuts due to the carotenoids compound, which is found in orange nuts as well in clusters of 15 to 25. It is rich in vitamins, calcium, and amino acids. Next one is Macopina coconut. It is a dwarf plant producing coconuts with a jelly-like flesh of sweet and nutty flavor, used in preparing beverages and desserts like pastries. Next one is tall varieties. Long-lived palm, living generally to an age of about 80 to 90 years. Palms thrive well under different soil conditions, varying from littoral sands to red loams and laterites. Palms grow well up to altitude of 3000 feet above the sea level. The tree attains a height of about 15 meter to 18 meter. It begins to bear in about 8 to 10 years after planting. About 6,000 nuts yield a ton of copra. List of tall varieties. First one is West Coast tall. Other name ordinary or common tall variety. Soil West Coast tall palm grows in all type of soil. Time take for bearing 6 to 7 years. Average yield 80 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 176 gram per nut. The range between 135 and 200 gram. Oil content 68%. Special feature. It is recommended for large-scale cultivation in coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. The tree also yields on tapping good quantity and quality of coconut juice or toddy, which can be fermented or converted into jahari or sugar. It can prefer both edible purpose and soap manufacture. Next one is East Coast tall. Soil, well-drained, deep sandy loam, alluvial and red loamy soil are ideal. Time take for bearing 6 to 8 years. Average yield 70 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 125 gram per nut. The range between 100 and 140 gram. Oil content 64%. Special feature. It is recommended for large-scale cultivation in coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Pondicherry. The nuts are smaller than West Coast tall. Next one is Chandrakalpa or Lakshadweep ordinary. Soil. The palm grows in all type of soil and it can withstand moisture stress. Time take for bearing 5 to 6 years. Average yield 100 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 176 gram per nut. Oil content 72%. Special feature. This cultivar was released by CPCRI Kasaraghat during 1985 under the name Chandrakalpa for large-scale cultivation in the state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Next one is Philippines ordinary. Other name is Kerachandra. Soil. The palm grows in all type of soil. Time take for bearing 5 years. Average yield 110 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 198 gram per nut. Oil content 66%. Special feature. This cultivar was released by CPCRI as a national variety during 1995 for commercial cultivation in all states. Next one is VPM3. Other name is Andaman ordinary. Time take for bearing 5 to 6 years. Average yield 92 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 176 gram per nut. Oil content 70%. Special feature. Drought tolerant, suitable for rain-fed and irrigated conditions. Selection from Andaman ordinary. High copra content. This cultivar was released by Coconut Research Stations, Veppankulam, Tamil Nadu during 1994 for commercial cultivation in the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andaman, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar. Next one is Halia Nahar 1. Time take for bearing 5 years. Average yield 126 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 131 gram per nut. Oil content 66.5%. Special feature. Drought tolerant, suitable for rain-fed and irrigated conditions. Selection from Arasambatti tall. 1 year earlier flowering compared to West Coastal, East Coastal and Veppankulam 3. Moderately tolerant to major coconut pests. This cultivar released by Coconut Research Stations, Alia Nahar, Tamil Nadu during 2002 for commercial cultivation in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Next one is hybrid varieties. Hybrids are the intervarietal process of two morphological forms of coconut. They show earliness in flowering and give increased yield, higher quantity and better quality of copra and oil when compared to the parents. There are two hybrid varieties are there. Tall crust dwarf varieties, dwarf crust tall varieties. Tall crust dwarf varieties. When the tall is used as female, they are called tall crust dwarf hybrid. The reciprocal is known as dwarf crust tall varieties. Hybrids perform well under good management conditions, including nutrient management and irrigations. List of hybrid varieties. First one is Kerashankra. Selection from West Coastal and Chowkat Orange Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 years. Average yield 108 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 187 gram per nut. Oil content 68%. Special feature. This variety released by CPCRI Kerala in 1991 for large-scale cultivation in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These hybrid palms are precocious and exhibit higher productivity than the parents. Recommended for general cultivation both under rain-fed and irrigated conditions. Next one is Chandra Sankara. Selection from Chowkat Orange Dwarf and West Coastal. Time take for bearing 3 to 4 years. Average yield 116 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 215 gram per nut. Oil content 68%. Special feature. This hybrid released by CPCRI Kerala in 1991 for large-scale cultivation in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This hybrid can be easily identified in the nursery as the seedlings exhibit vigorous growth with bronze-colored petioles. Chandrashankara recommended for ideal situations and where good management practices are adopted. Next one is Chandralaksha. Selection from Lakshadweep Ordinary and Chowghat Orange Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 to 5 years. Average yield 109 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 195 gram per nut. Oil content 16%. Special feature. This hybrid released by CPCRI Kerala in 1985 for large scale cultivation in Kerala and Karnataka. This hybrid performs better in moisture stress situations. Next one is Karahanga. Selection from West Coastal and Ganga Bottom Green Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 to 5 years. Average yield 100 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 201 gram per nut. Oil content 16%. Special feature. This hybrid released by Kerala Agriculture University in 1988 for commercial cultivation in Kerala. Recommended for general cultivation both under rainfed and irrigated conditions. Next one is Lakshaganga. Selection from Lakshadweep Ordinary and Ganga Bottom Green Dwarf. Time take for bearing 5 years. Average yield 108 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 195 gram per nut. Oil content 70%. Special feature. This hybrid released by Kerala Agriculture University in 1987 for large scale cultivation in Kerala. This is another drought tolerant hybrid and grows well even under rainfed conditions. Next one is Ananda Ganga. Selection from Andaman Ordinary and Ganga Bottom Green Dwarf. Time take for bearing 5 years. Average yield 95 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 216 gram per nut. Oil content 68%. Special feature. This hybrid released by Kerala Agriculture University in 1999 for large scale cultivation in Kerala. Recommended for general cultivation both under rainfed and irrigated conditions. Next one is VHC1. Selection from East Coastal and Malian Green Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 years. Average yield 98 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 135 gram per nut. Oil content 70%. Special feature. This hybrid is by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University in 1982 under the name Veppankulam Hybrid Combination 1 VHC1 for general cultivation in Tamil Nadu. These bunches have a tendency for bucking which is to be prevented. Next one is VHC2. Selection from East Coastal and Malian Yellow Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 years. Average yield 107 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 152 gram per nut. Oil content 68%. Special feature. This hybrid released by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University in 1987 under the name Veppankulam Hybrid Combination 2 VHC2 for general cultivation in Tamil Nadu. Next one is VHC3. Selection from East Coastal and Malian Orange Dwarf. Time take for bearing 4 years. Average yield 127 nuts per palm per year. Copra content 162 gram per nut. Oil content 70%. Special feature. This hybrid released by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University in 2000 under the name Veppankulam Hybrid Combination 3 for general cultivation in Tamil Nadu drought tolerant.